A Lennox Elite AC freezing up outside is typically caused by a dirty indoor evaporator coil restricting airflow, and thoroughly cleaning that coil is the exact solution to melt the ice and restore cooling. When airflow over the indoor coil drops, the refrigerant inside gets too cold. This turns the natural condensation into a solid block of ice that eventually travels down the copper lines straight to your outdoor compressor. Turn the thermostat completely off and switch the fan setting from auto to on. This forces warm indoor air over the frozen coil to melt the ice buildup safely. Head to the breaker box and shut off the main power to the entire HVAC system before opening any access panels to prevent electrical hazards. Locate the indoor air handler unit, usually found in a basement, attic, or utility closet. Remove the screws securing the front access panel to expose the A-shaped evaporator coil. If the coil is covered in a thick layer of dust, pet hair, or grime, it is actively blocking the necessary heat transfer. Apply a generous layer of no-rinse foaming evaporator coil cleaner directly onto the aluminum fins. The expanding foam pushes deep into the tight spaces between the fins, breaking down the compacted dirt. Let the foam sit for 15 to 20 minutes so it can lift the debris away from the metal surface. Gently brush the fins with a soft bristle nylon brush, moving strictly up and down to avoid bending the delicate aluminum. Once the coil is completely clean and the ice has fully melted, replace the access panel and restore power at the breaker. Turn the AC back on at the thermostat, and the system will run efficiently without freezing.